What if I told you the AI in your phone is now on the battlefield? And unlike Indian pilots who crashed Rafales, it's good? This is the Anduril Fury, a sleek AI-powered drone that's not just flying alongside fighter jets, it's rewriting the rules of warfare. It's a machine that can think, dodge, and strike, all without a pilot. But here's the kicker. It's not just about what Fury can do today. It's about what happens when AI like this takes over the skies. I'm diving into the tech behind Fury, why it's a game changer, and what it means for the future of war. Buckle up, because this could be huge. Picture this. A fighter jet screams across the sky, dodging missiles, locking onto targets. But there's no pilot in the cockpit. No human at all. Just cold, hard AI making split-second decisions faster than any Top Gun ace ever could. That's the Anduril Fury, or YFQ-44 if you're feeling fancy. Built by Anduril Industries, a company started by Palmer Luckey, the guy who brought us Oculus VR, it's an unmanned combat drone designed to fly with manned jets like the F-35. I got obsessed with Fury because it's not just a cool gadget. It's a glimpse into a future where AI doesn't just help humans fight wars, it might fight them for us. So let's break it down. How does Fury work? Why is it a big deal? And what happens when AI drones start battling each other? Okay, let's pop the hood on this thing. Fury is a 20-foot-long, 17-foot-wide drone, about half the size of an F-16. It's powered by a single Williams FJ 44-4M turbofan engine, pushing it to speeds near Mach 0.95, with a ceiling of 50,000 feet. It can pull plus 9 Gs, which would make a human pilot pass out, and carry 400 pounds of gear like radars, sensors, or electronic warfare tech. But the real magic? It's in the brain. Fury runs on Anduril's Lattice OS, an AI platform that lets it think for itself. A human operator tells it what to do, say, scout ahead or jam enemy radar. But Fury figures out how to do it. It's like telling a dog to fetch a ball. You don't explain physics, you just say, go. Here's how it comes together. Fury's got ESA radars and infrared trackers like eyes that see through clouds or darkness. Lattice OS uses reinforcement learning, trained in digital simulations to handle crazy scenarios, like dodging missiles or flying in a storm. It syncs with manned jets via secure data links, sharing intel in real time so pilots can focus on strategy while Fury does the dirty work. Right now, as of May 2025, Fury's in ground testing in Costa Mesa, California. Engineers are tweaking its propulsion and AI, aiming for a first flight this summer. It's not in combat yet, but the U.S. Air Force is watching closely, pitting it against General Atomics' drone in a high-stakes showdown. Fury isn't just another drone, it's a leap. Here's why. First, it's cheap. At $2 to $20 million a pop, it's a fraction of the $110 million cost of an F-35. And with a flight hour cost under $5,000, it's attritable, meaning commanders can risk it without crying over a budget. Second, it's modular. Anduril uses off-the-shelf parts like business jet engines and builds Fury in small U.S. workshops. Need a new sensor? Swap it out. Want to mass-produce 1,000? No problem. This isn't your grandpa's defense contractor. Third, it's autonomous. Most drones like the Reaper need constant human input. Fury? It's more like a smart assistant. One operator can control multiple Furies, freeing up pilots to focus on big-picture tactics. And here's the kicker. Fury's designed for manned-unmanned teaming, MUMT. Imagine an F-35 pilot sending Fury ahead to scout enemy territory, jam radars, or even take a hit so the human gets home safe. It's a force multiplier, making every jet twice as effective. This is why the Air Force is hyped. They want 1,000 plus of these by 2030, and Anduril's already showing it off globally, like at the Avalon Air Show in Australia. Fury's not just tech, it's a new way of fighting. Now let's get weird. What happens when Fury meets another AI drone, say a Chinese or Russian version? Welcome to the AI versus AI war. Picture this. Two drones, each with AI as sharp as Furies, dueling at 50,000 feet. They're not just flying, they're outsmarting each other. One predicts the other's dodge, counters with a jam, then fakes a dive to lure it into a trap. It's like chess, but at 600 miles per hour. This isn't science fiction. China's already testing AI drones, and Russia's not far behind. Fury's low cost means nations can field thousands of drones, not dozens of jets. But that also means more players. Think rogue groups with hacked AI drones. It's a double-edged sword. Ultimately, Fury forces us to rethink victory. Is it about territory, data, or just outsmarting the other guy's AI? War's getting abstract, and we're not ready for it. All right, let's gaze into the crystal ball. Where's Fury taking us? By 2030, the Air Force picks a winner, Fury or General Atomics. I'm betting Fury given Anduril's agility. Expect 500 plus in service, flying with F-35s and B-21 bombers. Allies like Australia might sign on too. By 2040, AI drones dominate. Human pilots are rare, reserved for high-stakes missions. Swarms of Furies coordinate like flocks of birds overwhelming older defenses. Counter-AI tech becomes a billion-dollar industry. By 2050, war's a digital chessboard. AI drones fight in space, cyberspace, and air, with humans as strategists, not fighters. Civilian spin-offs like AI medevac drones save millions of lives. But there's a catch. If we don't set global rules for AI warfare, like bans on fully autonomous kills, we could slide into chaos. Think Terminator, but less Arnold, more algorithms. The UN's already debating this, but progress is slow. So, what's the deal with Fury? It's a glimpse of a world where AI doesn't just fly planes, it reshapes how we fight, live, and dream. This isn't about cheering for war, it's about facing reality. Tech like Fury's coming, whether we like it or not. The question is, do we use it to protect, to innovate, to save lives? Or do we let it spiral into something we can't control? I'm not saying Fury's the answer to everything, but it's a chance to ask big questions. How do we balance power and responsibility? How do we make sure AI serves us, not the other way around? If this got you thinking, drop a comment. What should I dive into next? And if you want more deep dives into tech that could change everything, hit that subscribe button. Let's keep exploring what's possible.